Hey, so what's going on, my brother? This is live price prediction of Steeler, and today video is going very special because Steeler has gone very fastly, my brother. I'm very happy. I'm very excited. Don't skip this video. This is very special, and I have one good news also for you. So the good news, as I announced in this video, so let's start the price prediction of Steeler, my brother. Steeler is gone very fastly. I'm very excited to see the changes, to see the price prediction. So let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this video, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Please complete my 10,000 subscribe, brother. I hope you complete it. You do it. Just man, do it. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, guys. This time, if you can see here, the last 7 days charts. So I'm going to show you the 3 charts, and then we decided the into this is selling, holding, buying time. Okay, and also you have see the live charts. Okay, so this is live price prediction. You can see here the chant. The chant is 18.65%. I can't believe, my brother. I can't believe that this chant as a record. I think this is a record. Oh my goodness. As you can see here, the price occurred and for half US dollar, 0.553319 US dollar. Everybody, my brother, my sister, congratulations, many congratulations. They make you a millionaire. Steeler is my favorite cryptocurrency. I love these changes. I hope everyone can love this. Okay, so let's check out the last 1 day chart. Whoa, wow. This is incredible. This is mind blowing. 5.98% going up. What a brilliant shot. You can see here the price is going absolutely up. Wow, 0.53. Oh no, they come down this time. You can see here, sorry, this is the last 1 day or result. You can see here they come down in the last 1 day. So I think the last 7 days, if you remember, the last 7 days the price is 0.55, and this time 0.53. so I think this is 2000 come down. So let's see the last 1 hour. You can see here the graph result totally goes up. Wow, congratulations. And those days the crypto market totally and lost 10 billion US dollar loss this time, crypto market. And Bitcoin is one of them, guys. Bitcoin, the fastest cryptocurrency, as one of them. Yes, I am very happy to the Bitcoin is gone down. Yeah, really, I am very happy. So let's check out the last 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour. And oh my god, what's this? What did I see, guys? Can you see that? So, oh, this is crazy, man. Minus 1.29%. They go down. This is really crazy. You can see here they take a small jump, but I love this. You can see here like again starting dumping. But my friends, don't fear. This is good time. This is good time. Again they're starting jumping. I hope. Okay, if they're starting jumping, then I made special video for you. Okay, thanks for watching. And my opinion, my suggestion as that, guys, suggestion opinion is important. Please don't go. Okay, so oh my goodness, this time I'm very happy. So sorry for this. Okay, guys, this time my opinion as that after these 3 charts, my opinion is that this is does not time to you sell it. This is cannot time to you sell it. This is very bad decision if you sell it. Okay, don't sell it. If you have any plan to buy more, then this is good time to you buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good price. They make you millionaire. Yes, they make you a millionaire. So wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please complete my 10,000 subscribe. I said again, please subscribe and press the bell icon for videos notification. Take care.